In this video, I want to go over 5 reasons why you should buy a tube light for your photography and videography work. First of all, thanks to GVM for providing this tube light to be able to demonstrate why every photographer or videographer, can we just say photographer, in their kit. Take a second to hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss any videos from me. Product links and such will be down in the video description. Anyways, I've been using this light for a few weeks and have been able to use it for a few projects. It's become a great tool for various types of projects. In no particular order of importance, let's go over 5 reasons to get a tube light. First, my favorite use for this light is for interview hair backlights. I'm actually using it right now. It's a great way to create that separation between the background and the subject. This GVM light lets you change your temperature and also colors to work with your creative look that you want. Second, it uses SONY batteries that most of us have already. I have another tube light that I like, but I'm hesitant to use it because of the internal battery that does not last that long. I was in the middle of an interview and the light died. I was able to gaff tape a power bank to the C-stand arm and get it working again, but that's not really convenient. I've used this light for multiple shoots and this light didn't need to recharge each time. The included battery and charger has been great. You can also plug this into a power source if you don't want to use batteries. Third, there's different mounting points on both ends, which makes it easy to place it on a ball head, a light stand, etc. Fourth, product photography and videography. We work on monthly promo photos and videos for a local club, and we added this light for a backlight, but this time we have fun rotating the light around the subject. We also use the light for another product promotion with some exercise grips. Lastly, this thing has many modes. You can create different looks and effects with daylight, RGB, police lights, etc. It's a great tool to have in your gear bag for so many different applications. What are some other ways that you can see yourself using this light? Let me know down in the comments, and don't forget, you can check out the link in the description if you want to pick this up for yourself. Thanks for watching, take care, and be safe.